Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are answering a question a lot of creators and streamers have been asking lately. Can I add Cash App to Kick? If you are trying to get tips or donations while streaming on Kick and what to use Cash App, this video is for you. Let's break it down. What's possible, what's not, and what can you do instead? The short answer is not officially. You cannot add your Cash App directly to your Kick profile. Kick doesn't currently support Cash App as a built-in payment or tip option. That means there's no dedicated field or integration where you can connect your cash tag the way you can with PayPal or other services. It is mostly because Kick doesn't have a native donation system yet, like Twice, Twitch does these bits or Streamlabs integrations. And Cash App doesn't offer a public donation link the same way PayPal does. You need PayPal to manually enter your cash tag in their Cash App and send money, which isn't support convenient. So you cannot directly link Cash App to Kick, but you can drop your cash tag in your bio as a manual workaround for better results. Though use something like PayPal, Streamlabs, or Ko-fi to make tipping easier and more professional. If this helped you out, give the video a like and hit subscribe. Got question about streaming, Kick, or monetizing your content? Drop them in the comments and I'll cover them in a future video. Thank you for watching.